Hello and welcome back to Get Great at Maths. I'm here to help you pass your maths exam, so hit that like and subscribe button. We're going to look at keywords, key formulas and how to gain top marks. So let's get ready to get great at maths. This is a question on subtracting decimals, and we're asked to subtract 26, take away 2.012, and you need to write your answer in the box here for 1 mark. Now the key facts you need to know to be able to answer this question are that we need to line up the place value. So we've got thousands, hundreds, tens, ones, tenths, hundredths and thousandths. We need to add in 0 in any missing gaps, and you need to remember that the number 26 is the same as 26.0, which is also the same as 26.00. So it doesn't matter how many zeros there are after the decimal point, it is exactly the same number. And this first number here, 26, doesn't have any decimal points. You add them in to help add up the same number of decimal places afterwards. So this one has got 1, 2, 3 digits after the decimal point. You need exactly the same on this number here. Now some people will look at this question and they will just know what the answer is. They'll be able to add on to what do you need to add to 0, 1, 2 to make it to 3, and then go from 3 all the way up to 26, and they can work out the answer in their head. A lot of people won't be able to do that, and you need to know a written method to be able to do it if you can't spot how to do it in your head. Press pause, have a go at working out the answer, whichever method you want to use, whether you can do it in your head or you need to write it down. As long as you can get the right answer, you will get the 1 mark in the exam. Press play when you're ready to hear the answer. Well done guys, hopefully you've managed to get yourself an answer. So to start with, you should have written down the number 26 and you should have put 3 digits afterwards, 0, 0, 0, because there are 3 digits here, 0, 1, 2. So 3 digits here, and we write the number underneath with the decimal points lined up. We're now going to subtract. So we always start on the right hand side. So we look at 0, take away 2. Now we can't do nothing, take away 2, it just doesn't work when we do subtraction. So we need to borrow from the next number. But the next number is also 0. So we can't borrow from this number because it is 0. So we then look at the next number. This is also 0. So we can't borrow from here because we need to look at the next number again. So we go to the 6. So we're going to cross the 6 out and take 1 from that 6 to make it a 5. I've now can borrow a 10 to put over here in front of this 0. So I've now got a 10. Now I've got 10, I can cross this 10 out and make it a 9. So I've borrowed from this 10 and I'm going to add a 10 onto this one here. Now I can do the same again. So I'm going to cross out the 10, make this a 9 because I'm borrowing 1 from it, and I'm going to add the 10 into here. So I've now got the number 10. So this is 10 take away 2, which is 8. Then I've got 9 take away 1, which is also 8. 9 take away 0 is 9. The decimal point remains in the same place. 5 take away 2 is 3. And 2 take away nothing is 2. The answer needs to get written in the box here. Give yourself a big tick if you got it correct. Well done if you could manage to subtract this using the written method here. So well done. It is quite tricky, especially when you've got lots of zeros here, how to do it. As I said, some people can just see it in their head and they can work out that if you've got 0.012 to make this one whole one, you need to add on 988, or 988 plus 12 gives me 1,000, which is equivalent to the one whole one. And then from 3 to get to 26 is 23. So some people can just see that in their head and they can work it out in their head. But the majority of children will struggle to do that, and you need to know how to write it down and work it out if you can't do it in your head. The mark scheme on this question just shows there is 1 mark, so 1M means 1 method mark for just getting the correct answer, which is 23.988. If you found this video useful, please share, like and subscribe so we can all get great at maths. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Please follow Get Great at Maths on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook and X. What do you want to see next on Get Great at Maths? Please comment below. See you next time.